Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog style, what I eat in a day, pregnant edition. I've done one of these before when I was not pregnant, and if you guys saw that one, I do not eat healthy foods. I'm not like making healthy recipes, and I'm sick right now. Like I'm at home sick instead of being at work today. I've kind of gotten over it, but anyways, it's just the last day of recovery and it's almost the weekend and I really just needed some time. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day, the full day, everything that I eat. This is not like health icon. This is not what you should eat when you're pregnant. This is just me trying to get food into my body because I don't feel good. And also being pregnant, not a lot sounds good. So gotta be picky. I have 2 pieces of toast, one with butter and cinnamon sugar, one with just butter. I have like 4 strawberries cut up, and then I'm just gonna drink the rest of this water bottle. Sorry for the lighting change. I ate both pieces of toast. I'm bringing my strawberries and a little bit of water left upstairs with me, and I need to, I'm gonna start filming. Holy cow. That closet needs to be organized. Oh, so yeah, I have my strawberries and then a little bit of water left. And I'm gonna get ready and film. Okay, I wanted to document this because this is the first time I've looked like this in a long time. I curled my hair with my like big curling barrel and I don't like it. My hair is gonna fall out in 2 minutes. It's already fallen out so much, it's not gonna stay. But I haven't gotten ready in a long time. And I'm about to put on Riley's shirt again, probably, or maybe I'll get ready for the day, probably not, but maybe. I just finished filming. It's like a 20-minute video, so hopefully I can cut it down a little bit. If not, that's fine. But I still have some strawberries to eat, which is like not normal for me. Normally they'd all be gone, but I was watching videos and trying to do my makeup, so I'm so out of breath. And 1 second later, I have Riley's shirt on. I'm going downstairs, and I was like, I just want to be comfy. So, hold on. Come on, Duke. Ooh. Duke was whining, and he wanted some attention. And now he is asleep and snuggling his mama. And I'm just sitting on the couch. If I stop going and come sit on the couch, I start feeling worse, and I think it's just mental, like I'm just like feeling lazy, but maybe it's not. Maybe I'm actually just sick. But Duke just fell asleep on me, and I'm so hungry. It's 11:10 right now. Oh my gosh. And I'm starving. I just realized that I have a frozen DiGiorno pizza in my freezer, and I'm gonna go make that right now. That sounds so good. Oh my, it sounds so good. And I finally sat down and had to find something to watch. I watched all the Disney movies yesterday, and so like all the ones that are on Netflix that I wanted to watch, like Lilo and Stitch, Cars 3, Despicable Me 3, and Emperor's New Groove, which are the only ones that sounded intriguing. And now I'm watching Dance Moms, some of the old seasons, but I'm not done editing. I haven't even started the other video, and I'm starving, but Duke really wanted to snuggle, and I was FaceTiming. So, anyways, wow, this video is going to be long, dang. Anyways, I'm going to go make the DiGiorno pizza, and I'll show you guys when it's done. My pizza just came out of the oven, and it looks so yummy. Oh, I'm literally so excited. I also... That's loud. I just finished editing my first trimester video, and it's exporting, and I'm gonna make the thumbnail. I also pulled out my water to drink. Showed you guys our little baby. That was at 9 weeks and 2 days. Look how cute. But honestly, I'm probably gonna eat half of this pizza. I'll start out with 2 pieces, and I'll show you guys when I cut it when it cools down a little bit, but I will probably eat half of this pizza, just being honest. Okay, Dance Moms is still on in the back, and I cut it while it's still hot because I'm so hungry. But these is what I'm gonna start with, and then my water, because there's so much sauce, but this is how much is left. And I'm just gonna finish. I'm gonna be done after this one, after 3. Just because Riley's gonna be home soon, he'll probably be hungry, which he'll eat some of the pizza, but it's also Friday, so we don't have anything to do tonight, so we might go hang out with his family. We're gonna work on the house. I want to start laundry before Riley gets home just because I just want to. I've been sick for the last couple days. I just want to help. I just want to contribute and start some laundry. He is running out of some of the clothes that he likes to wear, like his favorites, so do that. Hi, baby Duke. That was a good sit. So I'm gonna eat this, keep watching Dance Moms. I made a thumbnail that I love. I think it's so cute for my first trimester video, like surviving it and my tips and stuff. I'm so excited. So that's uploading right now, and then I really need to start on that video for my friend's jewelry company. It's not for him, it's a video about getting ready, and especially since I've been pregnant, I use these tips all the time. But there's also a part about his jewelry because he sent me some to review. So I want to work on that, but I want to get my house stuff done too. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys watch both of those videos, but especially the trimester video, or at least tell me what you think. Look at that ear. Come on, goose. Or tell me what you think of the thumbnail with like the water splash behind it, because I love it. It's so cute. And just like that, it is 4:25. I'm in a different outfit again. Sorry. And I'm going to eat. Riley got home a couple hours ago. I took a little nap, and then he's taking a nap right now. Just we're exhausted and sick, and it's not good. But I'm gonna eat a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch with some almond milk. 4:20, so just a snack. I normally don't get home for another 40 minutes from work, so I would eat dinner then or like a little bit later. So this is just gonna be a snack for me. And this is the almond milk that I use, and I love Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla. I have that all poured. I'm gonna go eat this. And I'm starting to feel a little sick. I think it's just because I haven't had a ton of water today. I drank that whole McDonald's cup. It was pretty much full, but I'm ready for more water. So we'll probably have to wake up Riley in a little bit and get some food or go to the grocery store or something.
You should have done my hair.
It actually looks
cute.
cute.
Nappy.
This never happens. Riley has never, ever, ever gone to Costco with me to eat when I have wanted Costco, but now he is wanting a hot dog, but doesn't like the hot dogs that we have at our house. So we're gonna go to Costco, which means that I'm gonna get pizza again. So lunch and dinner is pizza, and I feel a little ashamed just because I'm filming this, but normally I'd feel no shame, and I'm so excited. I've wanted Costco pizza all day. The reason I made pizza for lunch was because I read a text from Riley and I misread it, and I thought he said Costco at 11:45, but he was actually talking about yesterday where we went for lunch, Costa Vida, and I thought it said Costco, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're gonna get Costco pizza. Like, I'm so excited. So of course, the one time I'm filming what I eat is the one time Riley decides to go to the place that I want to eat, and so I'll get pizza again, which actually I don't care. I'm very excited. I love the Costco pizza, and I'm probably gonna get a churro, and then after we eat we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some water bottles. Yeah, so anyways, I'll show you guys our food. I don't know when they started cutting it into 2 slices, but that's a little disappointing. Doesn't look as good as normal. And then a churro, and Riley got his hot dog. That's the afterburn. 3 cups of water. all that food later. We just got back from Costco, and other than the food I showed you guys, I haven't eaten anything yet. But I've been drinking this water bottle. I drank like 4 cups of water there. Got a water bottle, and we're gonna go watch a movie at his sister's house. So I'm gonna take some of my Boom Chicka Pop and a little bag of like apple slices, but I'll show you guys when we do that. But I wanted to update you on the Riley. Wanted to update you on the water. We got some water, and I'm finally feeling hydrated and good. Comedy in the background, but I'm now eating half of a chocolate muffin from Costco. And then the little pack of organic apple slices.